Hello everyone, today we will introduce the individual tree crown segmentation function under the ALS Forest module. This function utilizes deep learning to extract tree crown contours from images, enabling individual tree segmentation. The input data for this function must be multiband color images, such as DOM or ortho images produced from aerial imagery. It does not support single-band images like DEM or DSM. The output of this function is a vector file containing multiple tree crown contours, along with corresponding individual tree attribute files. To activate the function, directly search for individual tree crown segmentation in the toolbox and double-click to open the function window. Select the image files for individual tree segmentation. Currently, the function supports 8-bit, multiband, at least 3 bands, high-resolution, 1 to 10 cm, TIFF format images. You can add one or multiple image files, and you can also remove any already added image files if needed. By adding a mask file, the segmentation will only be performed on the masked area of the image. If the intersection over union of two segmented tree crowns exceeds the set overlap ratio, the tree crown with the higher confidence level will be retained. By setting the confidence threshold, only tree crowns with a confidence level higher than this threshold will be kept. Choose the appropriate model based on the tree species type. Currently, 2 models are available, General and Palm. Set the output path for the results. Click OK and wait for the results to be generated. The output includes a vector file of individual tree crown contours and an attribute file for individual trees. You can open the corresponding attribute table to view the properties of each individual tree. That concludes the introduction to the individual tree crown segmentation function. Thank you for watching.